welcome back to another video. Today we are celebrating, almost, I'm assuming we should hit it any soon, almost 20 subscribers. I was about to say 1,000, I don't know why. Wait. Okay, that's cool. They added this update. So today we're playing World of Warships, as you guys can see. So before, the ships used to be in water. I guess now it just hovers and you can see the entire ship. That's kind of cool, I guess. But I don't know what ship to get. This is my class 2. This is a cruiser. This is my, what is this? My destroyer. And it's a torpedo boat. So today what I want to do is let's torpedo some people. And if I don't do it successfully and win the match, I will be using this bad boy right here. Very cool. So first we're gonna use this. So let's just making sure this is the right one. Yep, it has torpedo tubes. So let's click battle. So if you guys don't know what World of Warships is, it's a hyper realistic ship game. Also, this video is not sponsored. Just to remember. FYI, this video is not sponsored. I'm just playing World of Warships for fun. I was just watching some YouTube and I got bored, so I just decided, let's play World of Warships. I just asked ChatGPT. It said War Thunder, and that's when World of Warships came to mind. So yeah. So wait, I'm gonna turn my volume down a little more so I can hear myself speak, even though I can't hear myself speak in the mic. Okay, so the wave physics in this game, I think it's pretty nice. Look at it, it's beautiful. You can even have a bow camera kind of thing. So let's make a waypoint. Where should we wanna go? Oh yeah, if I didn't mention, of course I didn't mention. There's an autopilot mode, which I think, okay, I'm gonna risk it and turn. Hopefully I don't crash. So, yep, there we go, engine boost. It's kind of like nitrous, but for ships, although I don't know how engine boost works exactly. So as you can see, our speed is increasing. And also if we press tab, we can see some stuff like this. Enemy force detect already? Here, so we're here, and enemy, what is this, an enemy plane? Oh frick. They have aircraft carriers, that's not good. Move to the targeted area, what? I don't have any anti-air, so that sucks. I only have bullets, but I can't shoot down planes with these bullets. Did someone already die? Oh no, they started capturing area A. So we have a, not unit, ally, I guess, over there. I see an enemy ship over there on the horizon. I only see that name tag. I have 40 seconds left of engine boost. Okay, there we go. Let's try to shoot from here. Oh wait, this is armor piercing. That's like a smaller ship. Explosive armor. Oh, sorry, no. That one's explosive. Okay, I'm supposed to use this one for the small ships. The armor piercing. As you can see on the first one that I'm using, the bullet is exploding. I don't know if you can see, but if you look closely, it's exploding in the photo. And the other one is armor piercing, which is also seen in the photo. And for smaller ships, you always want to use explosive armor. And for the bigger ships, like cruisers, you want to use the, actually, let's fire some torpedoes. Okay, for the bigger ships, you want to use armor piercing. Okay, I think I just got their ship on fire. I haven't taken any damage yet. Okay, I think they might actually crash. Turn into the torpedoes. I saw it in a movie. Torpedoes. Can I fire my torpedo? No, they're reloading. Too many enemies. Where's the button? Torpedoes! Let's press R. Where's the torpedoes now? Okay, come on, come on. Hit. Hit them, my guy. Dude, I'm all alone. Wait, that might actually hit. Let's go. Splash one. I think I can use, oh my god. I'm losing health quickly. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. What's the button for requesting support? F5. I could really use some help. I feel like I'm gonna die. The ship doesn't have too much armor on it. Okay, it's shift. I forgot the... Oh shoot, my rudder is jammed. I wasn't looking where I was going. I need to pay more attention, guys. Come on. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Come on. I'm going back to Allied Force area thingy. Oh my god, look at my health, guys. I am not gonna survive this. Come on, guns. Firing now. Let me fire a torpedo. Torpedoes are going to the enemy. Hope they die. Torpedoes to starboard. Starboard is left. I don't see any. I hear the torpedo alarm thingy, but I don't see any. I still see those torpedoes, and come on. What is hydrocaustic search? What is that? Okay, I'm gonna stay here because I don't want to die. As you can see on the top left, we have 520 points. They have 90, so I'm assuming we should win this round. Oh, and I just witnessed that ship getting absolutely abominated. So there's me. Oh, no, I don't want to enable that. Autopilot is dumb. Look at my health, guys. 265. That is not good at all. So here's one. What happens? There's an enemy. Is that the only one? Wait, is there really only one? You know what? Speedboats, let's go. Let's go destroy them. Well done. What? My PC's screaming right now, but I'm at like 60 FPS. Can you guys hear it? I'm gonna check OBS. You guys can legit hear that, I think. Hope not, because then the video is gonna suck. Let's go, we won the first round. That was good for a first. So that round was only 9 minutes. Let's do 2 rounds. Victory. So 34 target hits, 1 target hit with the torpedo, 1 destroyed, 1 set on fire, 1 caused flooding, and 1 spotted. Okay, let's go back to port and select another ship. What's this? Is there an award? Oh, I'm level 15. I forgot. That's so cool. I'm pretty sure this one's like really, really slow. Let me check the equipment on it. Yeah, so it's these two perks. This one looks a lot faster. Where's the health on this? This one doesn't have any torpedoes. This has some torpedoes. 12. Can I like add more torpedoes? No, I can't. So I have holy crap, I have 10.8 million exchange credits. And I have 4,000 XP. So let's see if I can buy another ship. This is 5. I need what is it that I need? Is this additional or in total required? I have 4,000. What? What can I convert this to? Do I need? Okay, I don't know how to buy this, guys. Okay, back to tech tree. What's this? Okay, no, we're not buying any ships from Germany. I already made mistakes of buying that. And Germany, I guess are kind of my enemy. I don't know. I can buy this, but this is class 2, so I don't even need it. And if I do it, I'm just wasting my coins. So I'm not gonna do that. Holy, that's 1.3 million coins. I can afford it coins-wise. I could even afford this, but like, is this XP? Where's my XP? Settings. Graphics. No, let's just set it to maximum. My PC can run it. Effects. Dynamic lighting. Fog transparency. Oh no, I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to save any changes. Let's spawn back with the same ship. Is it this one? Yeah. Alright, we are spawning. Let's hope it doesn't take too long to spawn a ship. Okay, there we go. It didn't take too long to get in the server. Also, I'm looking forward to getting some aircraft carriers. That would be really, really cool. But modern aircraft carriers are way cooler. And this is based off of like World War II. There's the bridge, but there's no one in it. And also, the helm doesn't turn. Also, guys, it might look a bit funky. Like, the screen is a little, not blurry, but low quality. They just did that to make you feel like you're in World War II. There's some rounds right there, and a lot. Okay, so enemy is probably over here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other ships in the convoy. Also, does the helm even turn? Oh my god, I can't see it turning. Let's go over there. Okay, let's go super speed. Super speed. Also, it's annoying how it has a German flag. I accidentally bought this ship like it's a German ship. Already? Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, there's one guy. Let's just go to him real quick. Because let's just. Oh shoot, he's trying to kill me. Okay, well, I'm shooting back at you. Come on, come on, come on, come. Oh my god, this target is so small. I'm assuming he has less health than me. Okay, let's just fire torpedoes at him. Because he's like stuck. Let's not do all of them. Okay, let's go. Oh shoot, he has torpedoes. Okay, I have no clue how I just survived that. Okay, come on, come on, come on, lock in. Come on, reload. What did I just get myself into? Come on, come on, come on. Torpedoes. I need to fire torpedoes. How is that not too shallow? Come on, hit him. Aww. We have requested support. He just fired a torpedo at us. That's a pretty big ship. Okay, it should just go alongside us. And we should be fine. The torpedo is going faster than us, and so it's probably going like 45 knots. Let's just shoot some torpedoes there. And there. Port is right, so no, I don't see any. Oh shoot. So yeah, port is left, not right. Turn into torpedoes. I've only lost some health, and I haven't lost any major health from torpedoes. And this guy is shooting me. And I'm about to crash into my ally. We're in the lead. That's unexpected. Firing torpedoes at this dude. I don't want to get too close to him. That won't be good. Oh my god, I barely just missed. Come on, come on. Oh no, that's gonna miss. Yep, the bullets weren't going fast enough. Let's get alongside him so we can use more turrets. Come on, come on. Oh no. Fire all my torpedoes. Okay, we destroyed that idiot. That's what you get, don't mess with us. And the torpedoes just hit the land. Here's another ally. I wish I could honk at him. We're going damn fast. This ship is sinking. The one we just killed. We like assisted in a kill. Also, there's wave physics on the yeah, there's wave physics on the buoys. Again, this game is hyper realistic. I feel like this match has been a bit longer. So far I've done 11,000 damage. It's on the top right corner. If you guys want to look at how much damage I've dealt. Oh my god. I'm fighting for my life. Sort of. Come on, please hit, please hit. Please hit. Yes. Oh my god, is this an ally? Actually, I might die if I turn. Let's try to make a sharp turn. 1/4 of throttle. That's like dead slow. It makes it easier for us to shoot others, but it also makes it easier for them to shoot us. So there's some good and bad things. Okay, what? This is 2 forts, not 1/2. I guess that's what it's called. Okay, 3 forts. Somehow people have shot so many torpedoes at me, and I've I've dodged them all. Apparently in my middle smokestack, I don't know if you guys can see that, I have some damage in there, which it doesn't matter, sorta. I mean, smoke is still coming out, which is good, sorta. Definitely not for the environment, which this isn't even real environment, so it does not matter. Come on. I like raising the camera and shooting. Okay, hit. Is this an ally? We already won. That was 2 victories in a row. So how many minutes of recording? It's been 20 minutes. So we've got 41,000 coins, 438 stars, and 44 of this. And I need an additional lot. I have 4,136. And for that ship, so it's in USA, obvi. It's this one. I need an additional 1,079. Let's go to equipment. So it has depth charges, torpedoes, and these 2 ammo. It has smoke screen, repair obviously, and boost. So this is a ship I'm looking forward to. Designer's table. Can I just make it the old dock? I don't want to do open ocean. I don't like open ocean. This is designer's table, the one. Okay, let's go with New York. What does this look like? This looks sick. I love this. Okay guys, that will end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.